Hope the camera gets this. Listen very carefully. Hear that? All going. There's a lot of energy being lost right there in that vibration. The guitar will sound much better when that's fixed. Now it's the keys. You can hear it when I grab the keys like this. I'm just grabbing them like that. You can hear it's gone. The owner, I think, mentioned he was going to put new keys on it, so that'll fix that, but it needs to be fixed because, like I say, a lot of energy is being lost right there. And with acoustic guitars, you don't want to lose any energy. Cheers. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for sticking with me. See you soon.